In today's episode, we will be focusing on procedural programming in Python. In Python, the process of procedural programming are when tasks are treated as step-by-step iterations where common tasks are placed in functions that are called as needed. This coding style favors iteration, sequencing, selection, and modularization. In this example, we will look at multiple data types with the same variable. The first being a string, the second we will make an integer, the third a float, the fourth a boolean, the fifth a list, and the last one will be a dictionary. And now we will print out the data variable. And as you can see, through procedural programming, it executes the last data variable. This is what it means by going through iteration. If you found this video in any way helpful, make sure to follow the Pi Society on Twitter, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.